Dear students, last time we start chapter number 3, understanding quadrilaterals. In this, let us see one more property of exterior angle. What is exterior angle? Here you can see one figure. In this, this angle is called exterior angle. This is interior angle and this is exterior angle or external angle. So we have one property that the sum of the measures of the external angles of any polygon is dash, and that is 360. Means that triangle also the sum of measure of external angles is 360. For quadrilateral same, for pentagon, hexagon, heptagon same, the sum of exterior angles is 360 degree. Let us use this property in this question of exercise 3.2. First question is that find x, and here we know that the sum of external angle is 360. Let us use that. Here 125 plus 125 plus x is equal to 360 degree. So x plus, add them, 250 is equal to 360. X is equal to 360 minus 250. So x is equal to 110. So अब हम देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 3.2. Here also we have one figure and we have to find out x, the exterior angle x. For that we need all the exterior angle, measure of all the exterior angle. But we are not having here this angle and this angle. But you can see that here one symbol is there. If the symbol is there, that means this angle is 90 degree. Same way this angle is also 90 degree. And both the angles are linear pair. So what is the measure of this exterior angle? 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree. So we can say that this exterior angle is 90 degree. Same way this exterior angle is also 90 degree. Now and then we will use that property, the sum of the measure of all exterior angles of any polygon is 360. For that, first of all, let us show that this angle is 90 degree. So 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree. And always we mention what type of property we are going to use. So here we will write linear pair. Same way 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree and same linear pair. Now let us use property of exterior angle. For that let us take all measures, 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70 plus x is equal to 360. Now add them, x plus 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 60, 240, 240 plus 70, so 310 is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 360 minus 310. Therefore, x is equal to 50 degree. This is your answer. Question number 2 of exercise 3.2. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. Means here regular polygon is there. For regular polygon, always remember that all exterior angle, the measure of all exterior angles will be same. They are equal. So, and the sides are also equal measure. So, 9 sides are there. For 9 sides, if regular polygon of 9 sides is there, then we can understand that the number of exterior angle or external angles is 9. That means 9 angles are there, and we know that the sum of the external angles is 360. Therefore, let us find out each exterior angle. For that, is equal to 360 divided by 9. So, the measure of exterior angle, each exterior angle is 40. Same way you can find out for 15 sides are also. What you will do? Here also the number of external angles is 15. And so you will divide 360 by 15. Then you will get the measure of each external angle. Question number 3 of exercise 3.2. Here the question is, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24? Here the measure of exterior angle is given and the polygon is regular polygon. That means all exterior angles are of equal measure. That means, and also we know that the sum of all exterior angle is 360. So, the number of sides is equal to number of sides. For number of sides, if we know the number of external angle, then we can say that the sides of polygon is same. So, the number of sides is equal to 360. 360, the total measure of exterior angle, divided by 24. 24, the measure of each exterior angle. So, this way, so 15 sides are there. Means here we can say that there are 15 external angles are there. Now, question number 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165 degree? Interior angle. Here it is given that interior angle and also given that regular polygon. For understanding, I have drawn here one figure. In this figure you can see that this polygon is regular polygon. For any polygon, its exterior angle and its interior angle will be linear pair. And always interior angles are also equal and exterior angles are also equal for regular polygon. So, if each of these polygon having interior angle of 165 degree, then we can find out each exterior angle with the help of 180 minus 165 degree. that is 15. So we can say that the measure of each exterior angle is 15 degree. And if 15 degree is there, then we can find out the total number of exterior angle with the help of 360 divided by 15. And whatever will be the number of exterior angle, the same will be the sides of this regular polygon. So we can write here like that the number of sides of polygon is equal to 360 divided by 15, that is 24 degree. Sorry, 24 sides. That means 24 sides are there. Question number 5 of exercise 3.2. In this question, there is one question is that is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? We have to find out that is it possible. For that, first of all, let us see with the help of this measure of exterior angle, can we have the sides of the polygon? Yes, we can have the number of sides is equal to 360 divided by 22. We can divide it with the help of 2. 2 11s are 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 6. That means 180 divided by 11. This is not a number and we need the number of sides. So we can answer that it is not possible to have any regular polygon whose exterior angle is 22 degree. Here in this question number 5 only, the question is like that. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? Interior angle, that means 22 is the interior angle. If 22 is interior angle, then exterior angle will be the measure of exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 22, that is 158. 158 degree is its exterior angle. Now with the help of this, we need to find out the sides of the polygon. The number of sides is equal to 360 divided by 158. If we divide it with 2, then 180 divided by 180 divided by 79. This is not a whole number and we need the number of sides. So we can say that it is again not possible to have any interior angle with 22 and have a regular polygon. Now question number 6. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Why? Now, first of all, we can understand that minimum sides are 3. That means the regular polygon which is minimum having minimum sides is triangle, and that means the sides of minimum regular polygon is three, and three sides are there. That means, and for regular polygon, sides are equal. So we can say that equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a regular polygon which we require, and we know that the measure of interior angle of equilateral triangle is always 60 degree. So the minimum interior angle is 60 degree. In this question number 6 only, B question is like that. What is the maximum exterior angle possible for the regular polygon? As we see that minimum regular polygon is triangle, and for that interior angle is 60 degree. That means the interior angle of is 60 degree. If interior angle is 60 degree, then external angle will be 180 minus 60 degree. That is 120 degree. So we can say that the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon is 120 degree. If interior angle is minimum, then only the exterior angle will be maximum. Therefore, before this question, that we have seen that minimum interior angle is 60 degree. So maximum exterior angle is 120 degree.